In this video, I will show how to register and use ChatGPT for the first time. Get started with ChatGPT by following these 3 simple steps. Step 1, go to chat.openai.com and sign up. Step 2, use your email, Google, or Microsoft account to sign up.
Music licensing reimagined.
Step 3, enter your name and date of birth, then enter your phone number. 6-digit code sent on your number, place it in box.
Artlist.io.
Now you are ready to use ChatGPT. Click in a box where send a message is written. Write any kind of prompt here which you want and get exciting results.